Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save tweets in Evernote using a simple browser extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type Evernote Web Clipper, then press enter to search for the extension. This handy tool will let you capture tweets directly from X and save them into your Evernote notebooks for later reference. From the search results, click on Evernote Web Clipper to open its page. You'll see detailed information about what the extension does and how it can help you save content from across the web. Now, click Add to Chrome to begin installing the extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your browser, asking you to verify the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension to complete the process. The extension will install within seconds and add itself to your browser's toolbar. Next, open a new tab and head over to x.com. Log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left panel and click on Profile to view your timeline and tweets. Now, navigate to the specific tweet you want to save. Once you've found it, click on the tweet to open it in full view. This ensures you capture all the details when you save it to Evernote. With the tweet open, look at the upper right corner of your browser and click the extension button. This will activate the Evernote Web Clipper, and a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see several clip format options. Bookmark saves just the tweet link. Full page saves the entire tweet page, including any replies if there are any, and screenshot captures exactly what's visible on your screen. For this example, select full page so you can preserve the complete tweet along with any conversation threads. Below the format options, navigate to the Save To section. Click the drop-down menu below it and choose your preferred notebook from the list. This is where your saved tweet will be organized in Evernote, making it easy to find later. Optionally, you'll see fields for tasks, tags, and notes or comments that you can add if you want to categorize or annotate your saved content further. Once you've configured everything, click Save Clip in the upper right corner. Wait a few seconds while the extension syncs and saves your tweet to Evernote. After it's done, you'll see an option in the right panel to open an Evernote app if you already have it installed on your PC, or open in Evernote Web if you haven't downloaded it yet. Select your preferred method to view your saved content. Once Evernote opens, look at the left panel and click on Notes. From there, click on the newly added note to verify that your tweet was saved correctly with all its content intact. And that's it, you've successfully saved a tweet to Evernote for easy access and organization. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.